BLNE stock analysis. Is this the right time to buy? I'm going to cover all this in this very short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Beeline Holdings, not that big of a fan. I mean, now yeah, looking at it, 12.5% up is fair, but from a higher time frame perspective, man, this thing just kept melting lower and lower. One thing that I also want to say is that, okay, now we're here. Once I looked at the higher time frame, I know now this is just, yeah, it's quite bearish. And if the price does reach up like a certain point and shows me like some sort of shift, then and only then I'll potentially take things lower. But other than that, me randomly short selling is just not going to be the way. It's not going to be the option. So I'll continue to keep you updated. What I'll keep doing here is I'll keep waiting and keep you updated. But yeah, if I start seeing some proper shifts above like 270-ish or something, potentially then be bullish, but now not yet. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free value.